Ewusia for your mama kwa bamonya brene yatena amasa brede de fa itwaso no ebremo ai usi na yade ntina ode se de ba ode so mese de ni so na nso siri bi wo fie se de san ti manen san wo fie na eja efie ho nye de na yenkoye nim na me guest na bande wo be hu adekoro nti a na me nsire no wo fa na se duru bronya na otimi ko hyema wo ntenenka oba o se me wo fa ase we can't forbid this. Why more of a father Benjamin Kran says, I am Baya. You bet this only more. You bet this only when I call him. It's a paid yet, and some my barbecano. After May 9th stadium disaster, Nakaye hope say you soon be a fimu, and see Casa, the I can game no, and shut down count, sir. But and Cabeba crack, May 9th fee, and chair, papa. Ye didn't feel to crash and shed and chase her. Yanka, pese ye betty BCCA. For Friday, your dear crowns, say bring back the love. Na Emma Ghana for our money, Bob, Bohonia, good young one, or Monsignor or Don, and from my local teams, you know, any stars, and black stars, satellite, Matthews, and the Akika on the queens. Won't now princesses never be a camera. Afe dear, and now for Friday, Womoko boy, you, Baba Sports Stadium, Kumasia. Yesi refi a common card. Munti mu hwase munto bo me kra dem se ka munkope VAR ibimra. Na Africa kwenya VAR na nkran ye benya Ghana na ye benya VAR. Ten dem se jamaji se mijaika. Now for Friday yifo supporters yakoye basabasa. Wo park so ama eno yesi boy baako etu aka ne nani ho ema wodaya sabia ntia no pay ye bedi mo nkomo se enti May 9th no yesua bibi fimu afi bi adru afi kra ba unsi ebedi ho monuments a ye erect ye ne ade se nka ni na be ka ye sa agro ne ye kwa akodie enti ensese ye ma no ko anije kodane arepo na nra de yate ya nhase ya wanhwa na fe omu ba be ya na ka ho na fe ya hwe voters register no eho asem na idie no to do or not to do because isisi obeye enya ade a cost no wo hwe enkrata na ode baaye no dispatch eno pay me bo so kire mu a isisi se wo kasa wo upgrade dada na wo ho a ka wo bebo no $15 million adenti na ne wonye foforo preko eno ne ka no 6 million isha nanso opposition parties ni bisu aka abom se o debi de wo kan enti sa time kra ni ho ma eno so yisi be yi ano oh within 56 days ye be ye wieti less than 2 months and approximately 2 months ye be ye wieti men kan time asem and opposition parties ni gina say de wo ho no enya hwe de wo see problem wo ho so pese wo upgrade you so wo be boka no wo see why ye research and why hwehwemu wo ho reporter IT department ne de man fabra ne enso yen kenkan bi na ye hu eno so se da bi nti memenda notice say ye nua be ma Abdul Rashid Alasa Kroboy amane se parties no wo mu kohia wo tamale parties ameka ye wo mu say ye nya new ye dada na abetimi aye no eno onum koye demonstration enti wo demonstration ne ho no na binum so anim difo ni bi ahase kasa say dabi enye demonstration na wo de be register protest ba say voters register pa dia CD enu nye CD enu ye local government for local government service Dr. Wikudro Simon wo mu de say de I say eye kra no position for no afa mamijan mensan ko ade na so ade so eye collective decision eni panso na ya abedwaku eni mu adwumayefo enso no na kosi ginaye no ti bi o ha maame no wono no wo che de nanso bi ana wo mu nyina adwen akobenkrom ti wo beka de wo mu nyina adwen akobenkrom ti wo mu yi maame no nko anye ne kwanso enti so wo mu hwe no wo mu ntiase a said ye wo mu kanu go to court ama asem krona wura benefsen ya wo ye post ba abato mu a o ye hwehwemu wareda mu no ye semu for penima daily dispatch enso say the opposition for no ye said the modemo no yakota male ye konkran ye kokumase ye ko ha no emoa se bibiga wo mu a wonum court but CDD so dia wo kan say I opposition for no wasem ka if you say time no kra yi si ba be ya de no time na etia enti wono nso ni reason or dey ma say na o say me ye foforo na say o say wonyai ka enti ene say over the insight ono nso ye CCD fo nso akasa che isi wa blasting brofo no kan no na aye ha ma wa blast is ni say munya de mo keka no I say mu wo reason bi other than the mo keka no enti ene we ya because eno kwampo be fa time ni na ena ye ba aba abedwen hu yi enti ene wo fa bone a wo call ya fe nu waba oye me guest anu pay ya waba abedruye Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahenkra Deputy Minister Trade and what's Makana Brofo Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahenkra Deputy Minister Trade and Industry MP Tema West and ye train say Abrantie Sami Jemfi lawyer Sami Jemfi or National Communications Officer Emma NDC Amanyukuno onunso bi aboboano sunya penkwa sintie ni na chese brother no aba be ka ho enti ye ne wofa ebe hyase wofa boni afishia pa se me ye we ni se me ma wonko because se me ma wonko na me kapa na mafo afre ti wo se wonim girl be hwe me ya you ready ya cause ya mitimi say yo mo kan sam chopa okay menya hu se sa me ka won frama mu ana mo betie ne me ka frama mu da but wo de me ka no wonim se wo fa bone
ya ma mo nshi
me misro jam fita wo se ya gira ha twa me komani enya sa ade be chi me ha me de me ho de me wo fa me hunu na adi afe 20 ye wura mu mani afe ne be hu
asa
ai
na so mo afi mo start adwuma
nti once wa bitwe ho nti ahwefo e che se set isu he ya na ye wo fa no ko ba bia
ya da bi nya de santi wonu se wo de ma me first me for happy new year ma ono mo hwe
okay
na eto aso me enka na se kese ba me fa na se kese mama UTV4 especially Peace FM ni despite group no
okay
ewo adwuma pa mo ye afie atwam yem se mo ya de pa
o adwuma de ya
e gase de ni to fo mo propagate amanyo sem
uni nti ameka se adwuma de ya de pa ase o niema na promo na wo ye o constituency na ye twanti ya de
na mo nyi o
ye nyi o famous de beba
o ne famra because bronya me che family be 5000 aduane
okay
ama ebenum ananko munya bibi sebeta fraja emfa empodwe kranya bi podwe
okay
enti medam wase adwuma pa mo ye na me no mi no de enu se wo me we mu dada enti wanya kwa yo
real palm any sabu wa japade
menya ko entia na da me ko no be se odie wo
baby any farmer mrs ya if you will na farmer me twa obi a me bompa se ubenya na ntene 104 da be da ne twa any farmer mrs ya
uza prodigal son bebe mu
wo da ba me prodigal daughter
eti we da wase ewo adwuma pa mo ye ni boa maboa gaban otisoso ama ne nuama waye one district one factory one village one dam ne nuama no yama ankrofo ehu ewo inye Ghana hanko ama nyina impopopompo anankankankanka any year of returner ehu dewura mo boy media for nyam ko the whole media landscape mama you know the whole world who say Ghana ye bi yepono say one more call 400 years no omache omsamra ani Nigeria for any amanyo West Africa countries for is obia be door of return e be window of return and that visionary leader no ni Bobia and then no more one and so I boa Ghana na won't be we nyina ma possible just about media for you so nti madam say maboa me edu sa stage
you say that say fafi lawyer Sami Jemfi aba nti brother akwaba odi waya ade afi me hu last week kura se me hu on te se me wofa to do you nua be mapa me hwe se me nya trotro kama bia me de be akra sunyan na ma twere akire se onua paye odi enje wa ma me hwe kura me hu
na ofa de
ofa paye no ofa bone de ofa otimi ko check gift vouchers ema teachers ba why ade nti teacher phone so mo da wase so wo mo fa ko shopping e wo Melcom ama ofa check gift vouchers ama ye hu ofa why ade
odi na eba
me mpeke ma me hu keke se me wo fa wo ho eno ano no yo ye da mwase afa mu me nkomo na nkomo ne se ye kodi agro nura ye se ebekum Chelsea ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko e wo Kumasi for Friday referee amakadia wo mo supporters entiase esi kanya branche we na ese so odi card no say mistaken identity say dey referee so wonim dia asi wo park yi so ama supporters na akoye penche yenti yemfa nkai ye ho me nine funi biem se anti afi bia ye die nkrofo atia ni wofa
yeah, thank you. Say wo anyoma bi si ana say wodwen anyoma bi si ho a na wabisa ho say enti ye wo 21st century mu ana say ye wo emre bi mu a sa anyoma yanke happen e wo wiasi ye feel say ka atwemu stadium disasters ubekai May 9th BSC emre bi atwemu any my different so ntokwa isi football mu me kaipa those times isa Cote d'Ivoire for ni a friend saying Cote d'Ivoire team African sport as a being ni kotoko ball and non tokwa omo ba hesi asek for mu omo ka ba hesi ko hesi no prepare nipa ni ade samre ni nyina atwem nipa wo tumi e wo football mu say kase e bo pesa 90 minutes no wo tumi a nasebo be kan final e referee nipa bia ni wo sa tumi do be kase referee akase over no akase dey be any true wo say ne hwan but Ghana for antisa anyoma na se na still a hu say 30 million coaches na de bia ye bobol a ye be kire be bia enfa ball ne nkonkoto ansa na yetu na ye be ni se na we amuni ye na we amuni ye na e de sa wontwe be in fact I know me team me rekwe pa sebe ta fracture catch here you see a tutu e kan ani so otiase so wontiase ni panim memum mesreso see the life ammunition be call stadium and say baby etisa no very very wrong. I want to believe say any life ammunition the police need to maybe a tear gas and a canister.
Tear gas to me ma
canister to be bomb say depending on the distance now. Say a friend say
depression
the force now canister they become no say a higher affected. I want to believe that that's what the case is because a Ethiopian and born nearby now and Kiatin wasem. But no crap run can come for a police woman sure say a lot of training. So but to BBC out to Korean on to Fedipenim. Unless your life is in danger, be able to say, we are wishing you any lancho. But no crap no crano, just would more deal to understand me not to have any pim. Police for and yet Samu training almost shimukena, no making sure says
say crowd control a problem.
Every MPP so every NDD so any government baby we have problem with crowd control. What if the last time here a friend say let my vocal for call a friend say demonstration here koko to boy any free a crowd control issues here. And the damn partner police for I mean, you chemo about crowd control. Monfa any manipa edisa abenia. Every time BBC, they have to have casualties in them. I think the police authority must look at this. Now, the most important thing right now I want to also say, and I say, Ben Kanichi, I didn't person me kind who hear me palm. A way a litmus test for the new GFA. Ubai adia edikanya atomo a SM taking who decision enuni Ghana for ye nyina ye hwe se obi na de tumi a che den sem se ne referee aye no anye ne yi indi okwakoto bobo ana okwakoto na me hwe ne mo to tunsuo no mo to ye de referee ne be se akwakoto dressing room na to tonioma ebro referee na me say Ghana ni ana say friend say Togo ana Benin Ghana pa ya bobo ya kasi ya ka football well for we asem hanma wo dey fa FIFA ranking na to nchen ya produce good footballers wa ya bobo ma we asem afana nyina obi aka for football bo e then have spectators and say supporters ichi mo ye BBC ya ye decide say pese kokofa tournament bi kura ba hade mo ya hwe we nu nyina ene ya Marcus Enfemra na me Enfema. It is very 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 bad and a big eyesore. I think say GF no fa we nye omo first test.
Okay.
Na yem punish the team that caused this route. Emi ya sa akwakofa kotokofo so. Nemum sani de a friend saying akwesino sani de be kwame. And if need be say eso mu take drastic measures. Now ye putting you maybe to hold. I don't want to pronounce Madrid wa near me for say so mo ye and punish so mo ye. But they know under the rules of engagement says obi eye bibi say ya ye wo kwan say no fa so. Omo go to the final the last route. Now move for punishment and to now spectators didn't say we cannot take the laws into our own hands.
Aye. Na same wonhwe say be yo mo be ko route no evidence no way. We de ye hwe e nkrofo phones de omo di twa you. De esi opportunity de ye hearsay adenya GF no kra dwumako no de contract ne ma wo mo no Star Times for no kra saada no enura no wo ma anko park ho omo twa akra nko a adenya ese contract ni mu nsem bebre ye be koye ni mo ani
asefem sem edika ma me ema atiefo nyina ache menchia honorable man official pa fi menchia no na menkase sase mo yare ho se me na me watermale nti enura na mete
okay ko demonstration
be do ye na mete sa are ho sem we because me na me free say the esi May 9th emre bi atwam ene nkyerɛkyerɛ a asoma ya fa ho ke bia yesua de kakra afiri mu a ebehu se ball bo ya agudie wo team ena me so me wo me de ena referee gira mfimfi enipa ena ye ho adwuma no nko ade ho so betimi ayede aba nti se bibi ba football administration will processes a yetimi ya appeal ni nyema bebre go bi ukra wa ya sha referee nye ene baby a football na hihye yakodu ni yetimi a protest e was anyema ni nyina we was a sanction referee a ye nti se referee bi adwuma na wani nye ho ana bibi na wani nye ho a e was o hu se yagodie a ye de gi ani
yeah
uni ho kwan se o fa mra ne hye wonsem because agodie ne mra eden eda ho na oye de ensem fata even before May 9th now you have incidents of violence relative to football but May 9th was a major one I have campaign nti me ya pass these two big reputable football clubs achita for omontimi enya abotra ebinum efa mrasha omunsem eye de ensem fata de oyeni esiye eni sesi sabi there was a Ghana Football Association central for especially sports journalists and all stakeholders yema adie we say nyane yebiem na the need for more education set May 9 video
yes I need stakeholders no
a police work can be yenya education ni make sure say supporters
but every year you did May 9th nti na make us education nka ekoso wo the afifa we need to for say May 9th be ye project programs awodo memos bia monuments o mu raise ye ni ade nkrofo compensation kram say wo mu nsanya nka ni
ebinum refi nti yenka kayomo na yenhye mu kena nti that is one aspect of the problem supporters abotere wo se yenya so ti asese refi ayemfo so kra yebenya abotre ni afa football nhihye football mraso ni ya siki justice ehunhia se yebeye sa problem bi anya dey emma the second aspect of the problem na ye dey menua penyi kan a police for kwan omofa so a control riots control crowd a problem with Ghana for a very long time okay I let my vote count there no correct and see law students who colleagues demonstration binum koye you saw it nancy of course I don't know
bra to aso
what for say that say ambassador when you papa because that here law yen no
say me lawyer be me
that is so siamra yen ne
and me nya new lawyer
enti
oh your papa nka obetu school fees
enti ya wo hwe kwan a adisuafo mu suamra na ebi mu pe kwan kra akoto mu adisua so ye de omo fa so a is a policy for no omo ye problem ebinom ye problem pa because I mean de menya sure say park no bi kita two and obi kita second there are so many weapons omo apart from rubber bullets tear gas and guns omo betimi use their control crowd enti IGP awaba oni ni mpanyimfo omo regions no omo hwesa ade no a police for a deploy almost on head matches on almost idea no. So what I say because they unsolve a problem no. Now police in free say me share uniform and me kita two and me kita rubber bullet and tear gas into no at the least provocation make me use so ebe my problems. Into was here. Timaka say we the kwakra say we don't have the full facts.
Okay.
Into was in mu ya den. Ekoso. Ene when you video me you sure say nipa bebre with videos. Into yakasi hwehwe mu a we will be able to gather evidence. Football musumi minim no apart from referee and then the officials linesman for a small mono. Yes, as my match commissioner na bibisa. Obi a okohwe match and also here the report. So I'm sure say if they check all these reports now mo ye hwehwe mu a oral testimony video kakra or no they will be able to trace the problem. Now say we see a punish teams, let's punish them. And was a police for be so excessively or more busy or more powers almost ye mamra any omuni na police ni hu say o chine bi yese ko hwe ball so a onko na wonko ye de wupe bia mane nkonko endanger human lives inti kakra meka no ye nyina yemfa nya adusua de na ye ma asomdwe eni yanim kan e wa agodie mu ye mfolo emra ne nhyehyɛ ya eda football me free say ye ne sa ebeboa. Okay,
sisi a committee no be yensia na no nkonabo and the debate no said the be na ne sa de na ye for and against inti for any against the first no and kaskumu de and see etie for ne first but we against for the court demonstration and wo maba so we say wo mo akwa ba
ma for ni kanka eti omo ya for ebi owo be ka say you na ma convince
e unya against be any of our be call for kania na
oh baby
and against for na akwa demonstration about omo ka omo how pa
no problem
it's mo how pa against akwaba una ukọ tamale it's see am say electoral commission memo mo nye register foforo sese
yeah bedase pa na asemu ye ni bresem ansakra na meba so abechichiri mu no amini kan fa enchia ene asida piesie emma tamaleman ene yenuanom wo atifi esrem mantem ene ni patamu nyina say interparty resistance against the new voters register to yansa frɛ won say omra na
interparty resistance against
the new voters register
wa papa mu change kan IPRAN and Afran
nti say omra na yen kamom yesa oye kyerwe no omo aba ama ya ma na be ye dutwam nipa ne ba ma ne broso nipa ne ba ma ne ye kese ma ne ye fe mani fi me nye sure say me hu oye kyerwe bi a akoso in the northern part of the country yenya edom sa na no ma menya gidie nya rehwemu se kasa bibribe a ye ka no enya de a ye ka agu nipa etie enro anya amanyoko ba ko na ye o ye kire no NDC for ne ohobi ba na PNC for Ira Bernard Mona one ne organizer Ira Despon PNC for ho UPP for ho UFP for ho APC for ho PPP for the Oman MC for by CPP ni kra by be kasa ye nuanom anifra for by so ho aye nyina ye kabomu ye and it shows say obia nipa dodo na ya de omo political affiliations here the to nchen in fact you call Tamale when we were touching base with youth groups we went to a place and met with MPP young people e ho na ye free ho call ya omo chairman say on tia say wa ma NDC mpenyufo o ma NDC mpenyufo audience o matie ye nti o call ni o makoka say o call yo mukututu ni tire nyame nkoa enka omo lenche no because when you explain the issues to people even if they are MPP people they understand say they mo kan there ye ni mo party there but
now that see na kam say baby amowo no de be ma yesi posi form be bo mo ho ban ma mo demonstration ko so no me ama so meti say chairman Bernard Mona can say they were professional
no a police for no very in fact yes say we fini akaiwa nchi omo ya de pa omo nya abotre ehwe dom ni nyina so nti all the stakeholders ene nkankan nipa ba ye mu nkoda mu mpanyufo emu mma emu memmoa emu ye maame no ye mpo bia baso na we ena e wo se eye a wake up call to ye maame Jimensa ye wura boss manasare ene ECA ye wo ye omaye omo ka bia nka bi se wo ka hwe omo ntie ne se Ghana for dodo na hu se de omo ye no enya de eye papa nti omo mra omo ho ase omo mra fom omo ntie because mpanyufo se adwentoato ama abato so who biasi mu abako for nchire down for ya and nyansa so any bako for team nkwa we ho mesi agina ye mense sama adwe na emwa
memory said there are other political parties I say omuso ye be 30 omuso they are on their own oh enu ye Adekye die no MPP
me bacho Mr.
Odiko was LPG
Adekye ntokwa wo no beko because so no kra na forge the political party logo akoka ho abra won ka ho apalu party ne design
you know LPG
the office way
mini baby office but I registered Congress is in kratem no registered
okay but second one
LPG yes you kokomlemle but minimum post is in kratem no recognize na MPP wom na Joy Jacob say yeboa is not for a new register is for a new register or you independent but presidential that and who knows almost so say Omujina say
they are about two political parties, one independent.
Maybe I meant me but I have read that men who are say some political parties who are for
any be Jacob or say mensa or say a independent candidate. Or more makani na a contract political parties.
Says who?
Me say office na Palu office way. Me madam for near Palu from Kumase. Congress okra wonye bi da.
And I makacha say office yes
when the likes of you can say PNC the lives of APC mo ye kasa Mr. But that is not even the issue.
APC they on your contract political party.
Let's deal with the issues.
APC they on your contract political party.
Mr. That is a very serious political party. But you see, it is even a tangential. I'm trying to say those who are against political parties in the also. And apart from some of those, you still have reputable CSOs like CDD in Mani, Ghana. People like Professor Jampua or mu ntimi nka so mo ye NDC for but omu nyina so adwen ade ne ho aka se ade we die enye
na ma menchire ones like local government service Dr. Eric Odrosai who says ECD oye no papa
please or he's an appointee of President Akufo-Addo o person okade yeah o person okade ye ka independent people CDD ni ade o ka appointee
no appointee to me kanaje
Jojo beka na MPP die na akwansenkro na mame nchirem ya
ka reason for him
mame nchirem so na atiefo nte de ye kana se
okay
Ghana here new register because the current register ye wo sisi you know is the cleanest and the most credible register Ghana yenya ewo ya bakosem ene wiase nyina wo pe register ba ko a eho tepa ye register papa Ghana register we ka ho bi na mechire odi ntia enye sami je mfisi o ma meji mensa se because na nsia ya yekoto assembly election ya obeka in central for EC4 ne mo yenhyiamu na mo bisa EC4 se register ya de kwa akoto assembly election hote edimu papa na enye papa asem mo kai ne se ye credible hote papa ti etimi de to ma ne yeye hwe se unti bibia bakosem ase a ebia unti de ye kana se register enkane no before ye benya biometric way no na ye use photo album ya ye to aba no ye din ni ye photo pen e wo obi timi de obi din to aba obi timi to aba mpire no obi timi twire ni din mienu miensa na ye ntimi check impersonation ntimi check multiple registration ntimi check multiple voting e de chinyage ba wa abato results ho enuanom MPP for samere 2010 2011 almost start ye dan kwan institute MPP se yenye abelfo biometric register na no de enam so doman kuma nyankopon bo nipa obia biometric down sunti no obi ntimi fo obi din to abaya obi ntimi mfa ne din enko register de mu mpiri no obi ntimi to aba mienu because there was no verification no voting hye ne de keka ho na face no practice na e wo sa mbre na enfie dubia na yesesa register no ye ntimi stop sa practice no because onya biometric obi wu a ne din betimi ewu samai untimi nkofa ne biometric nyedai enkonkoto aba so even the problem associated with the bloated register as a result of dead names no will be able to deal with it yeah and ya boho ka aye ye de ato aba mienu ye John Mahama achinyagi ama register ho ye President Akufo-Addo achinyagi ama register ho President Akufo-Addo mpo de order ne about close to 1 million votes achinyagi ama ho ye de ato assembly elections mienu 2015 2019 achinyagi ama ho ye de ato 2018 ya referendum e de ato regions achinyagi ama ho ye used to register afia I perform well, pa. They am performing well. I fear yeah good results. Was 2012 na yam mono. Because na ehwe disua no, enye nwie peye. Ti sa mre no okaya abato no kra ye de yentimi anto anwie dakro yesan tu share because machines ni ma so many problems in certain areas. But 2016 ni ehun sa problems in so the system performed better. Yeah. 2019 yeah you see a limited registration between 7th of June to 17th July 20 days. System we registered nipa 1.2 million. 1.2 million. Year to about district assembly elections nancy you know. Nipa 5.4 million. And the team use biometric system currently at the tuaba. Or more biometric system they reject you or more use manual verification. No more 34,823. Into what's the senior? Last time I used to nancy for district assembly election, the success rate was 99.4% because 5.4 million people voted. And the failure rate, the error rate was 0.6%. Meaning, this is one of the best in the world. It is the envy of the world. Because Indian poor and more facial authentication, or more fingerprint authentication, yeah, or more an error rate of 4%. Now we'll register Papa say. Last year, ya wabongoka ya limited registration. Busumi yetwem ya odi ato abe 6,000 assembly members. Where you over 35,000 unit committee members. There has not been any dispute. Could you for more observable election? They say the machines performed well. But why do you tell us?
And then it just occurred to me say the here Dr. Baumia it's a press conference bibi now punchy loopholes challenges are never into your one kakra no e bia ye share e be hia
Dr. Baumia de ne de yatra ho 2015 or year lecture.
Was it not the same
76,000
challenges?
Isi 40 committee to yansa friend so fa nyina so ne bra wan fa nko. Oba pa we on fa nyina so bi amai. MPP for no kra jai asem neka. In this argument ne dey den etwem. The ho ba asem ya bu Ramadan court case no.
Okay.
Supreme Court order say obi or health insurance ne register nya card bia yenye ne din free. And so ya den ye free wo. The isi for can say chinchina afidie no aye dada. And ye ka say afidie aye dada no. Why is it performing better my success rate way? Na same po afidie aye dada. Mo anka say magia to me say the system is upgradable. You bet me. Yeah, me ba me cheche mo.
Yeah, na turn out low. But we no say they do parliamentary ni presidential na Ghana for do na tie ni ade no. The stress and the pressure.
5.4 million yes small turnout too. Okay. 5.4 million yes small turnout. And at 2016 turnout was high. E adwuma perfect. Ye nya problem bia. Na all the problem crumple wo ho a afidie na ye dada. U data na wo so na no ye register not to atwe na ye den. India for omo person mo di facial recognition ka omo register hon. Omo anye new register. Okay. Because no more wo mfonyini no of the voters in there dada. So they just applied the software and that was it. And experts actually say we can do it. So most more expert report be easy for actually say ntimi nya nesa political parties you say mama ye copy ni nyina ye hu bi. And also so adane boache bi din ye dia sha adaka mu ye mamo.
Now
this technical issue no meba
2 minutes we mama nti ase. Mo concern pa ne say oman ne beboka ana so say
the first concern am I explain ya kire on say sa de ense ya ye nkura no so don't worry your head. IT team says that yenya foforo. Reasons in here see it in year 4. Number 1. See when something is not broken you don't fix it. Minu ya penyi. Ne ka fefefe ya otimi o de ba he. Sense ya obekwa akoto atwene. Nobody does that. So I have explained to you the efficiency of the current system. The success rate, it is the best. It is clean. It is credible. Easy for agiatu. The entire young twenty. Reason number 2. Emre ni ho. Say even assuming without admitting, say I was a year register ya. Ya tnawo 2017 aba, 2018 aba, 2019 aba, 2020 mun ye be register. O kan almost na 2012 ya register ya 2012 there no. Dr. Farijan, any political parties ni na to adwini si agina ye in 2011. Omo ye procurement 2011. Omo choose vendor STL 2011. Omo sign contract 2011. Omo ye training 2011. Registration pen happened in 2012. Wait there. After na procurement in year in 2020. Ye be procurement as selected vendors and sign contract. Aba be trainee political parties. Na political parties who could train omo agents. And san ya be ye registration. Ya ye deduplication. Ya ye voter exhibition. And san ya be twaba. CDD for NDC for muti asem ni din almost we dear madam emwa gabi ochida kumu nyina se mre ni ho emwa adenti na maami chinchine chin ose wonte ase de to so miensa ya eyesikasem sebio o my God na ye ho so sa kamale na mi free ba ko srem baabi honorable ko hwe nsu a Ghana fo bi no mu nom ko hwe akwan a ase bra ye bre na maami ji mensa etwa 280 billion se per diem sika nko a wode kwa kwama isi adwuma yefo ya 280 billion a wo kire we mu school feeding for yentu omoka napco for yentu omoka jida for yentu omoka contractor for yentu omoka honorable ministry kwan he will tell you the challenges about releases now was it 280 billion per diem monitoring 160 billion what the trillions of money for your new register when there will one no kama you can use it there is no problem wo kra de otia ye away census utia ye NI4 ye Ghana card.
Thank you.
Adenanka won twen. Ya 30 seconds with the manusi 30 seconds. Adena won twen. Nanka ye nwie. Sa na imani4 kan. Na sa data ni nyina na ye hu Ghana fo a e so mo ye 18 years and above. Ye planning na ye nya accurate register. Preka preke e de bedu hinfa. Then finally 30 seconds. Ya bato won hyehyeye. De ama ye du bebia ye dui. Ghana ya somdue. A bibre mu nyina mama ya hodo hweye. E ya adwento atoa. Dr. Farijan obeye easy band there no so be na appointing no na ejeje Rollins even though say ya 15 minutes even though say na MPP for ni parliament impo no na ye tie wo mo register we MPP for through mo advocacy I give them the credit and ye dey this easy mami we meeting kra wo frɛ wa 45 minutes no ma notice o kwa wo se mensere o kasa hey we see ya mami ntie hwe and no ko aka bi anka bi o de na adwen ye register ye ne say be ye
and you register. Why are you for
I'm very sure that knowing how objective warfare is, he will support what
you are coercing the man to be against.
Oh no, I know Honorable Carlos. He's one of the few objective people in the new
accolades.
I'm telling you,
you never cease to amaze me with your.
Of a minister of Fitem and Evan, so they can treat my lawyer, no, then lawyer, the law neighbors. I know the bamboozle, they can. Somebody may check out to do. I'm going to check out.
May check out to do. But me what problem, Sammy? Me what problem? But me problem, they say. And some of what can you na? What you questions? I mean, be so. And this is for problem, pa. Ye who me just say me dream who say Adekye. And na say with a fracture. Ye did to me a show being sir. Say on na on administrator and say on na on should be so. No ni akroche say ade na mebeto ye no the way city no say man dane no anase man anya no kwan bi so a adwuma mo se me mfanye no emmoa me mo se chinchina chie amenye dey to me na adbekasa mami
of amu to me fi so mo ye stakeholders ewom and e ba abato a ewom say easy no or ye independent there but onu ko antimi nka say or ya abato na mana yi enka nya say on fair iPad nya say an consult parties
o ye law defini wo constitution article 45 article 45A and 46 emma easy the sole autonomy o parliament kan che so pese me wo benya time wa me kan a kire easy ewo to me under the constitution. Let's say article 45A, the electoral commission shall have the following functions. The A part, to compile the register of voters and revise it at such periods as may be determined by law. A, no. Article 46 says this: except as provided in this constitution or in any other law not inconsistent with this constitution, in the performance of its functions, the electoral commission shall not, and let me repeat, shall not be subject to the direction or control of any person or authority. I know person so.
Offer.
Yes, auntie.
And then I hear Babe who say, you know, say na constitution akamano. And by convention, IPAC na womatie na omuko meeting no omuje omadwenche oh ye penyi enti omuka omutie no yenye ne den.
Thank you. Yenye ne den. What question nka obisa ni but what do at ho no what twe asan. Omo ho mfaso ne say. IPAC no enye decision making body. IPAC no nko hon mun konkoto ato adwe ka say okay emfanyi say emfanyi. IPAC obo ye stakeholder group isiate aso person ye bibi ofro ka cho say bia political party matrase me be say na ensu be bi si be bi si decide mo dwe ho say obo kan mo se mo nyina wi a omo pa omo befa omo pa omo mfa They are not under any obligation to accept anything from anybody whatsoever, not even the president of the nation.
It is a be affect your mind, or they won't care.
They be affect your mind now. Won't actually. Or no more juma no more who say be affect your mind. They know what they are doing.
Okay.
Then they have me crying and say, sister, media me. I don't want to be seen as speaking for the EC because me juma EC, and I won't even purport say me customer EC. But the point is say, I didn't. And an idea on be to say a machine the juma say the papa ikai. Almost machine is obsolete. In fact, more time crying this time. STF we mo control the brown say machine the way sit here no say doing ya beyond the welcome. Twin me ya na me ya land ya shishi mama. Machine anka say mre the man say venya djuma no. Wa ya djuma ama apem ama ya atra. Enti from that time going no. Se bibia si a wontumi en control. One careful at that time no ye bibia be sinke. Cause voters register will say say bibi free data dem say getting it back becomes a problem.
You need backup.
Backup ni ade no licenses no more. Backup no any ade license no more. And no chance say baby o must store some information when you it is becoming obsolete. And that's it has become obsolete.
Obsolete. Say I dada. Obsolete.
And that there be obsolete just say unusable.
Oh, and you're unusable. I dada. I say dadia arenachi. Say arenacha ye grisino. Yamano wayere. Enti na omuka say enya munye upgrading ti ese for natural ba yo yate. It means that say phone ni enti na why say upgrade your iPhone no say
operating system.
Samsung now upgrade your iOS to this. Enti more upgrading no to the latest version.
What the okay. So we upgrade to the latest version. It still sits with the vendor. Easy for one person which say they have to take the control of this thing in their own hands.
That's a different thing together.
That is why they are standing there. It's a different thing altogether. That is why they are standing on this point. Say you buy no the system ni na ejina obi fie. Ye de akwa koma amanfuo bi omo free chrome hapo. Omo free chrome for so. And ya data ni na de akwa wonsa. The data management. Data no a friend is saying upgrading. Data ni bibia na assurance. Even the licensing to that authority no e wo monsem. Easy for na kasa na dem ho no bisa easy IT man also we ni ho hwe. Anti ya had no de ye sebeta frage say no betu yen say ya na tie. Easy office one cross who ro no why expect na sense ho. It on your head of IT no only any control over this data.
Offer.
But you are to say
easy person your voter register for fraud just so obetimi enya control of the data now.
Just so easy will be able to house. Just so easy we will to have control send you working over the data because
they have not given us this reason.
They have. And they won't hear. Now you cry the back cross aka ho. Say yampa say easy say the control and the supervision of this data as a country for being some vendor being some. Ain't easy any password. IT director or one more up to the mutu actually the new boss he say only who control. Now commissioner be or one more no the password to sa a system no I to me come acquire transfer there. Name. So kai sa asem no. Time e Charlotte say call Supreme Court. And the response no. The very last way a year of the shame no was that Amadou Sule had the your friend is saying access to the system to do transfers. Don't mean you be free, don't mean you manipulate. But IT director or T office or no, only anything when it regards to code or password. So it tells you how dangerous the system is. Samimi easy commissioner.
Same system now we have been using.
Same system that we have been using for all this time. No.
And now they moderate 1 million votes. No.
Me must say, but me baho kra me baho. Say you winning sa election over 1 million. What can below over?
It was around 900,000 actually.
It's around 900,000.
Yeah, to be very factual.
To be very factual. Yeah. Okay, let us accept without admitting sanity. Even if it's 800,000. Yeah, a friend saying voter register winning. We are not complaining about easy position. More and more lose election. No. Yes, some maybe other omicron shame to abano MPP for create VM into the money for product M1. Mumus, you are crying more than the bereaved. Sanka yen this abatu krata enwumen ewini election ya dey say ke catch easy for say yempe because say yehunu say sa abatu krata de to aba e ma ewini aba in the yempe ya ye din You see, you per se, easy for a carry out their mandate in the constitution. Why will NDC go and waste everybody's time? Now, say, say, PNC for anyone when you me by your radio so PNC vice chairman or say Benamona any organizer no call Mokotamalin, they went in their personal capacities. And your party no one name. They are going to sit down, NEC is going to sit down and sanction them. Because PNC has not taken any position. And I've heard it from some of the parties, several of them. Yes, sir, Omun position no grandma out. They have not even said anything about Sir easy for position. Omu demanded further and better particulars.
Parties no makasa wa akra. Omu ye those ekoyi obodin ya omu press conference. Ah no omu nyina omu. Ntenye say bibi fufuro bi no omu koye de omu shate wa ina no omu carry.
And America was the parties here okay. Woka se party bi akasa. Why na kasa o party ba ofo say eye correct. Is the leader of the party. But Mona is not the leader of PNC.
And you know a chairman.
He's the chairman. But I want to
he's the elected chairman of PNC.
He's the chairman, but I get what he's talking about. Per constitution, Edward Mama is the leader.
Thank you.
Bernard is still the chairman.
But he's at large.
Yes.
At large.
Ambassador at large.
Is he not at large? He's at large. So the chairman is acting.
Yeah, serious.
Oh, about the
because say what father say a whole political party more leadership, more for more control channel, more authority, mandating somebody to take care of the party. Na se sani pano enye meeting can't you say direction ekuni. Na nipa mienu free mu ebe join mu demonstration. Na woka se sani tie dia. Enye party position. Mr. Me no woka se me be ya. Mo stations isu bi.
Offer enye I say open secret say parties akese yi mienu MPP ni NDC. Yes. Say bibi say ya na mo amemme nkuma no no omo so omo be show because am kura yusu kasa bi ono so kasa o say omo wo for now omo MPP for side no omo ye contract party am kura say eh contract party say oh enti I say ya na akese no mo nya nketo na omo be gina mo side na che say aha na ye
asawa wo kai I hope so wo come NDC for because ye MPP for there
mpacho me kama mu mienu
aha and me come in chose ye MPP for there ye ni position bia was animal NDC for ye position an say easy for mandate under the constitution to handle this matter. But
you don't have a problem with senior new register. Why senior new register? Okay.
Why we even have a problem? Because jina simpie so aka says I register na wo no nipa bi wo no mo frɛ mu mo mfiri krum ha.
Oman mu ha.
Oman frɛ oman mu ha. Nipa bi wo mu a onwo awu a omo ni a friend saying asasi so. Machine idea verification no etore bia ubetwi unsa dia to so asela not verified just say wukọ na ekokọhwe wanim na obi be sign bibi e fill form bi sa dia ni nyina no etwem is a thing of the past and then crofo tran wo fie ebuti wukọ aman bi so a you just go online wukuku rem wo de voter ad bia na code shi
you know but say a gradual process
na gradual process yeah it's o ma ya ma easy for anyoma dwuma be na e draw me how no say NDC for army and depend your democracy in this country. How do we get there? Because
you don't think that time of essence was that time we say January almost is gone. I can't barely 10 months.
Sister,
yeah, better aba. Yeah, babe compiling new voters register. You don't think that I will say no so Moshe say would your cost the end than China cause cost in the easier or say oh say the easy the can say a cost effective if you say na dispatch the abe to hey 6 million for upgrading for new one as against 50 million for upgrading.
Yes,
and for easy cost any problem. But would there share time or no? When musu ye kan stakeholders almost ye stakeholders ni bi enti emaye entie wo mo say what is your problem mumra na yentina say na yenka
mama me say was some sister wo dey na we very a friend saying pragmatic about these things maybe some so be kanokre so na wo kro 2012
me o maimu
ha 2012 wo kai emre dodo a ye de 45 constituencies e kan ho aye kokoto about 2012 okay. It was just left about 2 or 3 months. Mean kind of exact date. Papa met me about because on there is an epitome of friends saying political friends say history. Now I cut 2-3 months. and NDC for chair a constituency of the 45 car gerrymandering on the idea just to win some of the seats more. Now, 3 months as a foreman, go and check this information. Oh, now say crime no can say.
Into the cost political gains be more baby.
Political gains be NDC and when was say because many NDC for and this is the time one can how you never turn change. Now, you creepy up. Ye members normal call atakwa vote massively ya hwe kwan ye be faso a NPP for a winning election ye be me ahia ne so ya faso bi aba be winning bia. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, me no ka say wo ha no ya call referendum
of ampacho 2 minutes time
2 minutes ya call referendum e woman ka say 15 me ma ka say 10 pe
papa wo sha say no nya wotre wo sha say na 99 ampacho nya but wo sha say na 99
is it 23
923
sir okay 2 minutes what for one day 3 so wo sha say ya call akwa year referendum ya tete regions for account there was 6 regions area account yeah, I don't know if you are aware electoral commission for code your friend is saying register no and as a voters register no it starts with the regional code say samika se mo monye NDC focus se mo monya Bono East what code is going to start.
I know they can answer because Friday no Michelle General Secretary NDC office do here and all ka say eno de Memphis say electoral commission hye mo no they go by electoral areas polling station electoral area then to constituency and Bono East constituency na wo ho no and one that so wo ho
yeah
okay this is the answer he
this is how I give you. So let me give you the proper answer. Let me give you the proper answer.
On the few because proper answer baby
I want to watch it.
What for who believe me?
What to what for mam kakran kan yin sisi. One here say we electoral register. We electoral register. Easy for no they have to code and as a codify information on no.
But on the regional basis.
On the regional basis that's what they say
but I say don't get say election
can no clear answer say me bo president to me no very fine. One can of me say summit here. Some so power can check me say region for
no, I said regional code. But let me explain if you
that's what we can one man can you.
I am the sinner offer as ya akana sem. And 70 bi over. Minim say nchiremu ba obesesa na adwen. Offer say aden ye easy. Waka article 45, article 46. Easy ni de ne ho. Na NDC ne other political parties. This your coyer register most of mon prince. Offer because ye the kabi mami kabi and a juma. So ye the adren toa and a kabi mami kabi no so. Enti o man penin po a se bi Ghana fo nyina na toa ba di yino no ya. So ye bibi na o man form pass ye tumika. Si ye timi yo ye kire. Enu nti na nanado ne mranti brimo ye kumi preko. Na JJ Rawlings o so no power to bring that. But democracy in the constitution na o man for one kwan say won pe bibia mutimi ye kire mutimi ye press conference mutimi kawabe freedom of speech freedom of to demonstrate na de keka won nyina no e constitutionally guaranteed.
So say you be unstoppable yeah.
Na mamen kan bibi enchiro na me fan tumu enchine.
Okay.
On the 22nd of October 2015 I for ye dwumadie bi me say the 22nd October 2015 Nene EC chairperson ye ma meji mensa ona na ye sa mre no IEE executive director na ya tie di okan ye o say do article 46 the of faculty ye no of the national constitution protects the EC from direction or control. It is nevertheless accountable to the citizens because it is a public organization which draws its funds from the consolidated fund. It must therefore ensure full transparency and accountability in its work. Also, even though say easy didn't know, Ghana for any bomoka, any two bomoka, or accountable to us. Into Omoye Bibina nya to Mika. Wakatu also say the EC should collaborate with all stakeholders in fully resolving the impasse and challenges with the voters register, as well as ensuring the conduct of free and fair election. What has changed? I didn't know some offer. Now ye na your power. Mo ye let my vote count. Ye new register. Ye place on mo ye. And then ye me bow. MPP for you have benefited from IPAC.
Mo ye let my vote count.
No, ye place on your mo ye biometric register. We did biometrics.
So it wasn't that easy. They had to fight their way through.
No, and only in 2015. Make up 2012. Okay, I say you Justice VRC, CRAB committee, political party, BR, and IT expert choir. You can't this register, even though say MPP for an advocating for it when they were in opposition. It was done based on consensus. And you can say your power. Aferijan ye independent. It is the name of Kana na ye say biometric ye papa ni na ye ntie. Ade na mo de mo ye ne sa. From 92 offer. You have benefited from IPAC and the stakeholder consultations chen bia. Omampenye Kufuado wa benefit wa demonstration mu chen bia. It is a ne bibi hayen na ye ka. Na mo say ade na mo kasa, ade na mo ye demonstration.
Omo kasa ade na mo kasa o. Omo say
sa na mo ka.
Sa.
O de no to nchen wi a. Offer say access. Over honey twem. So asem na easy for can me be twem. Say omu ni access to the system no. And will be so omo nka biom. Because Amren STA was in control. Now STA was in control because all the yes, the vendor and Israel for no. But na ye nyina na ya to the say omo contract ye twem. Easy for twem. And omo keys ni nyina ye den. Amaji mensa ne mpenyi. So now they have access to the system. It is access no kwa ye. Access nti. Na wo kwa say meba o pese wo wada no.
Enye STA for no mo ye in charge say.
Baby STA kwa de omo ni any contract, the contract has been abrogated. Okay. Oh, you can ask John Boado, he knows that. Okay. Or you can even Google it, you see it. It's one crowd, you're free. Now, the one you good them, now we need access. And you forget about it, and yes, I've 1 hour copy. And the access in Tianko, new register. Yes, so more at Abraka. Oh, Miss Sonia, thank you.
Hey, thank you. Me mama 3 minutes.
Oh, manual verification. No, a dozen, and people how my humanity or mobile data, and I say. Yato assembly election. It's a facts, no lie. Dr. Ferijan the can answer. Must say the rule of the game is evidence. Nipa 5.4 million the team use biometric FDN. Only 34,823.90 million use 0.6%. It is the best in the world. Now, you perceive you dealing with our problem.
In the world?
Yes. Because India error rate of 4% is bigger than ours.
Okay.
Now, since our problem, what person would deal with? I want to say, yeah, register anymore. No more what's our problem. They have been marked in the register as FOs, face only. It is a now person the facial recognition. Back they said the India for the a big car or new register. No, who bet me the software na canwa bra new register. 80 for the culture. Then foreigners will register so. Offer some yes they unyame ya mama no. Oh, and you may be wa mo can in opposition because na mo free say more and then say mo kabiem. Because Dr. Bawomi akọ na asem buy about foreigners. Why then? We jai kan. You pursue no say on fa nyina so na wentimi anya den amfa mba. Say register na nye clean dia. Na na just o man penye kufu adokwa was o den osi form. Because register no dey we ne no. Ya ene kokofu bo na wo dey bomb buga na nye. Me nye wu nua be ma ntino. Why you wey na time you sisi mi say o dey ma 1 minute na be.
O dey mo ntwetwe mi sa atwe.
Ebiem cost of na wo kan na be my last point na my bonnet tofa. O say ye fofra easy for say. And on a boy for chance said the way you be kra no.
You no kan be na
dispatching.
Yeah,
almost
no, Ben F said they should go to court. This one easy and kasa.
Honorable.
And
one power in the executive. Mo ye projects and mo ye meet the press. Transparency me boa. Mo say my dam mo show what you say? Oh, they be me cool. Ebi mu futuro chance Sahara Desert.
Ebi a main pon now.
It's a damn mu futuro chance Sahara Desert and we back one some another time. But the issue here they say IT experts amount reports a confirm the easy for care. Had a report on a CIA confidential document. The entina muntimi ma ya akona ma bi. Muntimi ma NDCB, muntimi ma MPPB. Ne ye nyina ye ndo so mu hu se de mo ka no ewom bi ko ye nyina ya ko school ye ni makenkan. Na mo nko ehye mo motuo. Boss man aside kita pampe. Oboa bibia ni. No cry me di twa to nyina ne se.
Edu so na wa ka hwe.
Bia no. Penyi force se woni mo wu a.
Se me mpon ye wo fa.
No kwasem pa ne se ye ma meji mensa. Emra ye papa na nado e ma na dwuma no. Apama wona in the year no. Me ma waduma no why you new register.
Why are you singling the woman out? Omo your commission. Omo ye nipa be sense. Omo yi ma me no kwa sa me eyefe.
Eno na chese eyefe. Na de na ya ma obi adi omo nko ami ni.
A collective decision.
Ono nko na timi kase wa ba meet yeti honorable kasa ono ko MPP am we ndi se me sra ni bumfu. But he o tiny. General mosquito sra mensre. or 20 mami after IPAC meeting no am 45 minutes notice ya mami jimensa me pena sem se bi oye mami ni ade but kwan ya offer so ye nyema no omo ye ne say ye new register opposition party for omo be salaries a omo nya time nko ye campaign yeso ye wo school buses ye de be mobilize free SHS children machines ne kura de be ko srem ni voter region no ye de ba ko ni mienu bi Ashanti region say Ghana card wahu ye de be du one center ya san so am on extension 2 weeks. Oh, Nina, a
Christmas break.
Voter expression.
And a man for so complaining.
Break of 2 days. Now break is 2 days. I extend the process by 2 weeks. And I do 10 p.m.
Yes, so and I do 10 p.m. demonstration.
And I do 10 p.m. You trading when the MPP constituency chairman. Omo ye registration impo. Men say na ko ti regional. MPP constituency executives. See. Mo be ye new register honorable. Yensi ho kwan. Ghana ye ko ye nim.
New register. You see there.
Professor Jampo Akasa. CDD Akasa, Imani Akasa, and a Pentecost Charismatic Council Mpu. Oma free easy for so momra no mo mechirim. Everybody is getting worried. Enya basa basa ye na ye pe eye ni ye yomuntia. Ye ni easy mami nkasa. Na ontie kakra. Ye wie census. Ye wie Ghana card. Ye bet ye bisa nko bo.
Same mo sa program ni so mo baso because same no.
Na ni say mami no say amafo didi gu account mu. Say mami the private hotel project a oyenti. And we twa per dia mo.
Which you don't know.
Fact. We next press conference bisa no.
But you can't bring that one the private life.
Private life. Per diem 280 and the private money.
Now the worker just watch per diem the hotel.
I think so.
Now per diem I say the bottom sika.
Now lawyer
the per diem please.
Into a very wrong.
Lawyer Mr.
President Kufuor or yes per diem.
Waka wasem.
Honorable Carlos Ahenkwa.
And the per diem for one person.
Now 280 billion or chama when this for my
the point they say. 280 billion mistake. Crabs say you don't know the process. 280 billion no and yet president be try what be parliament and be say you approve and analyst ko say a friend say president Kufuor.
O say
yeah
na say no there ono an the majority
mame so mo masem tofa
well you the gun anyway gina to no wa political
no personal attacks serious no any personal
because we
any personal attack me buy on
personal attack
ye Kennedy Japan mo de ye Charlotte say any no bi na me me de me say what twesika tio ya me mama no tia oba bia because oba na wo me say Ghana sika bra ye brace
and 280 billion ko shele botum
but when 280 billion and she's not just the person who said that 280 ebi omu nyina adena mo person mo collective decision
when 280 Charlotte say no so ye ba when
how many years down the line
hey are you justifying this?
I'm not justifying but I'm saying 280 billion enya ban the chair
it mean for mema o de be the mema no so aka ho bi 280 billion edoso dodo
na wo da family program na some of the program we so go no here news for 10 ye makasa 1 hour no bi 1 hour ono oba we a enso no
e the time nyina ma ofa
enti ya fa omo a ombukasa enti abrane no mo nkasa ne mpese me gina so kan se
ofani o de ne be etitia o
mo be etia me ya wo se mase etia
30 seconds
Professor Nampo makasa imani mo akasa pese okubi so question ma me se wo de woni perfectly well say EC register no it starts with the code and I say everyone is codified.
No, it starts with the code
no start with the
code
region
polling station code you need region code code be a polling station code
yes me opinion say you can me say but of
so voters ID
I
show you your polling station code
yes what me say it starts from the region
no
okay
but tie me here what am I come say
sami di onu sunim no
now we go and verify if I am lying me just
collation of results
I collation of results may come about the register itself. The register has to start with the region then the region code and sana about a friend is saying constituency code and sana about polling station code it trickles down and it's a certain polling station a year time I will cut Dr. Bamia ya court here omo ye pink sheet in Huajume. When they pick every pink sheet, they know which region is coming from.
Okay.
What you pass on market, go and verify. And to be a Professor Jampo Mami, bisa Imani, Madame for Frank Kujo Mami say, Bono East, Savannah, Yenfa code when start.
Police station.
Mami come I'm talking about the region because say ye chemuno region for buy no. Police station be northern region says akwa ko di Savannah. It won't be fa northern region code even start Savannah region. A polling station. It's not possible. And somebody must do this to capture the data properly on online. Apart from that, NDC for one kasankasa boy aware. And this is a very second vital point I'm making. Say and Crofoya almost the contract almost say equipment and a friend is saying machine or makasa. They gave you a letter. Listen, I don't have the letter.
Oracle software.
Listen,
the software can be upgraded.
What's a okasa me patch whatever men kasa because we don't need
time.
Almost say your friends original equipment manufacturers cannot support the system any longer. And when you're careful, you're risky. When you're careful, anything happens, we will lose all the data. When CRA give you the ample reference and reason for you to go ahead and do something that would save Ghana, and I will be save Ghana. I then a change na chia. One more edit to me show on some by a by J Mensa. That is exactly what she's doing. IE as someone that's exactly what she's doing. No, to ensure say keep fairness and transparency. To let everybody know say register no you problem. Ya up to this point. And now yeah opportunity say SCS Sunny. We have to take every measure to go and change it. What do you say? One vendors here na contract issue on say just checking and maintenance of the equipment. Every month they were taking 4 million. Every month they were taking 4 million. And this woman catch you say you here only 6 million to do this exercise. Now a friend is saying what about spending 15 million if they have to upgrade it? Why must we go and upgrade it? And what is NDC afraid of? Because munipa no to mama and so more register to mama NDC no. Omo no mama registration no. Nobody has complained about time. Because almost registered the whole 8 months or 11 months to do this exercise. Almost started January, almost started February. Even March crop almost started April, they will finish.
But where will you get the time?
It is not a member of that is not your business. You see?
Oh, but we are stakeholders.
As a party,
you ever send the police station agents?
Honorable, you better right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you could have decided that chair Masamia Banzania started. And I could have said that wouldn't be started Sameba Aqua. If I told you, and as a American man to say, oh, there be, Mammy and Chair Masamia, what power befa, what power won't. Because you are the host, when I would decide it.
But me respect your opinion. Sometimes, I'm about so young Chamini and Michiano, I say, but you walk
but a matter of choice. You are but we come in the answer, go to a lawyer, maybe the answer, a matter of choice. So you can decide to accept it or reject it. Because one of your host, one will be some questions, one will have a chair better her, would you hear no answer. In the same Maya, I mean, started. Oh, Yana, I mean, take advantage now, the main family, a matter of choice. I will start sometime your baby. No, but a baba to I bet me, I can say a matter of choice in Tia. Yeah, I won't do any opposite. I baba to I, the 2 million under the constitution, the 2 million shinipa being sa. Tian you, Yanfa Shagana for an answer. And this is for Munamunia constitution in word my those times cries, you must say, your boycotting the Modia campaign here. Munamoye, I don't know if she must say. Easy for us, I'm going to register for Francis, because I am pretty I say. Muka say no human being, no authority on this continent, and your Ghana Hapu has the right. You are right. Easy.
You are right.
No, let me finish. Oh,
they have the final say.
When is that respect to?
Oka code no na me hwehwe nti me kofa me Cordero for report 2012 and na minya no nti me pon a just go and verify ti me say forces a code as me office edun keti aka eche me mu different and na wo fa Carlos so chem
so one verify be ha me
but wo ka say omo pa no be matter of choice no. A recommendation Akodeo for year after 2012 they will say the EC should consider inviting credible CSOs to the Interparty Advisory Committee meeting so as to get a neutral that could provide a middle ground to bridge the gap between the EC and political parties and to prevent the recurrence of controversies that characterize BVR and procurement processes in the run-up to the election.
Thank you.
Well, auntie, Omukra Kode only observer group Omutombe. To me who say, yeah, then ya parties in Omuwom, auntie, yen tie womo asem, na yen avoid this certain controversies. Yeah, first years, to even advise you iPad
just to act as your friends say interplay.
So it means that they recognize the iPad, but don't dispute the suggestions of the iPad because you're independent and what you the constitution says do obey no anyway.
My main clear side if you I have never downplayed the contribution of iPad. be patcho ne meti asesa. But what I'm saying is say IPAC ni authority, only mandate over EC.
They don't, but in
yeah.
the spirit of
what a choice for us
yeah. Say choice no, but enu no ebi ma hu say you can choice ni ye chin say yen soften your stance kakra. Unnecessary controversies.
In this case, let's show me how you can soften your stance. Almost say the baby who ye ni pakra mo de contract man
no report ni bi. Yes,
what the report the baba me akra me ko ka chonso ma
at least support that.
Sami what the me ko ka chonso ma bi say report go na open because report be a open is emanated from the bosom. They one, you are not party to that contractor and this report never out. Say the report be more they can summarize whatever report they have and bring it out to you. Ompa, as one more catch you and 100 cars of the amount. How is it going to be good?
They say they will give us a report.
What they say, but madam, what I want you to understand is say IPAC now very important because nipa no mo ye adwuma no. So we can the two menim wie na ade so a me call trade ministry and Lanchamatin ama manya ho experience no. You first meet the stakeholders, now soften on down. And that's what we want to say. Then have an input to the matter before you even come out with it. That is what IPAC is for. Now, IPAC, Uba, there's no way, there be an IPAC be penny on the matter, saying I am penny. And the choice will be with the referee, which is always the easy. And the other one soften here. MPP, you say, you demonstration, say, change easy for your register yen cancer mo de mo se bo mo nye ade no mo nya mo di some bebre na ba na se mo di ba so mama mo ho answer say di pa na mo ma no contract so machine na support no out be support to you enti no pa mo chow wa anya foforo a your system ni na be good wo se my report na e kasa asem no wa va report na ma on to me ya is why 10 minutes so I want us to issue I want us to issue from personal attacks. It is very, very dangerous because the more you know, me sure say Charlotte say obi ko gina baby di na tem hunu ye anase ne keje po hu ye eno de betu dwa e de mo ankasa workers wo ankasa de petition ko e de ne bye me pese say import se kana Japan ko di na tem a me pese wo me nua ko never do that wo be kasa wa ko fatu an 80 billion ashide butum de gusi hotel when you don't have any facts.
Thank you.
Let's clarify on that. I have nothing against you, Mensa. But the Jumana was Ghana soon you tuaneka. In this one, Mampenia Kufu Adoko, ye Mampenia Bibina and Yana Mitimika. Jimensa so ye Bibina and Yamitumiaka. Me say, Jimensa, we try 280 billion old Ghana cedis as per diem for the administrative staff for EC.
I don't know try.
Ghana, you need to cannot.
I don't know try.
It is not an
I don't try. I don't know
try. Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry and a lawyer Sami Jemfi or your National Communications Officer Emma NDC Amanyo Kono I wish for your damasi papa said the iron the diacoso yani pitchin and so answer that Pacho minted the makers and make us our master damasi and in Pacho ansana mekon lawyer Dr. Ukubuate or Russian embassy dog na enra eyewa woda mema belated happy birthday onyame ensure onye okese na onye wakoma so ade nyina ema Dr. Ukubuate our Russian embassy. And then on that note, happy birthday enkoma Mr. Collins Kwabna Amankwa openi Collins Kwabna Amankwa obani akosu ajubi Amankwa ose na eyewa woda nti oni ni nuanum nyina ka bom esem kwatenten ahodin ewom e de amount se Japa eye inti papa nyamisha opa na me crew ne say me na pok celebrity wache ase Emma won papa say o Spintex Road won kran ha anope show wa ba be ye wo mo no enya asem K20. A very big thank you to Pok Celebrity Wache located at Spintex Road in Accra. From the UTV crew, they say they are grateful. Yakra meni yame ya dubo chira Adekye Nsroma yebesi aba yakra mo